Good morning. Today we are going to see how the buyers will be defaulted uh, in POs. Suppose I have created a requisition. It's a automated process to create a PO. For that, we already agreements for that requisition. So in that case, the buyer will be defaulted from the pricing agreements. Okay. Though, so I will show where will we configure these buyers in different areas. Okay, so for that, we'll go to configure. Yes, purchasing. Procurement. So this is the where we can configure for US business unit. I am taking US business unit. So we can give buyer here. Um, though we give the buyer here, it won't default when creating a PO from the requisition if that agreement is there. For that, what happened? We have to go to purchase requisitions agreement. Sorry. So go to manage agreements. Remove this. I already created an agreement. So if you open this, it will ask division. First of all, I will try to create a PO from the requisition, then we'll show how it will default it. For that, I will go to the purchase requisitions, then go to enter requisition lines. I am taking item this one, then go to add cart, then review. So check the approvals, if any approvals are there or not. So I created an automatic approval. That's why it's not showing any approvals here. And make a note of the requisition number here. Then submit. Okay. So it is now pending. 2041611. So it will take some time to approve. Go to, because I am entered by me only. So still is under pending approval. Go to search here. Again search here. Still is pending. Search. We will wait for at least 2-3 minutes. Will approve. Is approved. So then make a note of it. So then I will go to, because we have already agreements is there, so automatically create a PO for to check the PO. So I will make a note of the agreement 204161. Okay. Then go to purchase agreement wraps. It will open for both the POs as well as, and go to manage orders. It will take some time to create kickoff that and search for that. So remove this here because the buyer is not me. It's, it takes some time to get approved. Okay. It will take some time to get approved. So go to manage orders again. Go to requisition. So sorry, remove here and search for that. Yeah, it's there now. If you open that, now the buyer is Clark. Okay. So to change that, make a go to this, take note of this, and go to manage agreements. Go here. Okay. Then click on this. It will ask for division. Now I'm changing to my name. Okay. Save it. Okay. Then save it. Go to action, validate it. Any errors are there? Okay, no errors are there. Check for approvals. These are all routine things to check when. So it's automatically approved. That's why go to so submit now. Okay. Then I will create. It will take some time to approve this. So it's showing here again. The change order is pending. So wait for some time until it's approved. Still is there. So wait for some time. This is the where suppose we have an agreement. The buyer is will default to the agreements. So sometimes we'll think of that the requisitions is created by somebody and the buyer is in business related things also some buyer is there, but the buyer will defaulted, the higher priority will come from agreements. Okay. So now open. Now I will try to create one requisition. Go to again. Here also buyer will be there. So here if we give the buyer also, it won't default. Suggested only, but it won't default. I will show again. So then add to cart. submit. So make a note of 20162. It will take some time to approve. So then go to manage requisitions. Wait for some time. We have three ways to enter the buyer. One is while creating a buyer from requisition, and also from the procurement business unit. And second thing from agreements. Okay, we have one more thing, we manage procurement areas also, but it won't default from that also. The higher priority will come from the procurement agreements. Okay, purchase agreements. So still is pending. Wait for some time. Approved. Then again we'll go and check in the PO. Okay. So now the buyer is changed to Chandrasekhar. So see, now it is showing. Okay, incomplete. If you open this, buyer is changed. Okay. That's why the priority will come from purchase agreements. Though we entered in purchase requisition, it won't affect. So how to change that? It has to be done from the purchase agreements. Okay. So one more thing is there. So I will show that also. So suppose I have a same supplier and same item, and I have two different purchase agreements are there. So I want to only take particular purchase agreement. Okay, for that, go to arrange to open order box detail. Yeah, priority things are there. Uh, so I will show that also. Suppose I have a supplier is there as well as item there. Suppose I have created two agreements, the same supplier and same item. I want to take only particular one only while creating the PO. For that, we have option is there. I already created one video on that, but I will again show that. Suppose I have this is a ABC one. And go here. I will add item, same item. Okay. And then so again, you have to enter the price. Then go to edit mode. Yeah, I forgot. Show that. Go to controls. Go to controls. Yeah, priority is there. So suppose I have created two purchase agreements with same supplier and same item, then I want to prioritize things. Suppose I want to take review one only, then this will take precedence. Okay, so we can do that also. Okay, so if you have any doubts on this, how the buyer will defaulted, please ping me on YouTube comment section. I can reply back on that. Okay.